一礼拜休困3天的概念哦，目前伫全球拢真实行，也毋过伫美国的密苏里州是因为无钱无预算，有3社学校一礼拜哦只上4天的课。一寡厝邻的做事家庭哦，讲安尼囡仔当斗3天做事阁袂歹，也毋过某家长是真烦恼，讲会影响到囡仔的学习。
校车内面空空拢无学生，无载学生来上课，因为即天是囡仔一礼拜休3天的其中一天。囡仔伫咧厝内弹钢琴，做家己想要做的代志。美国密苏里州有3成的学校，一礼拜只敢若上4天课，不过对囡仔伫咧学校的课程并无伤大的改变。
Everyone's doing the same thing they normally do. Everybody in my class keeps thinking on like Tuesdays that it's Monday.
Oh my gosh.
My teacher even does that.
自新冠疫情了，愈来愈多学校为着要省经费，甲教职员留来，就一礼拜休3天。有一寡家长认为，加出来一天会当斗3天做厝内农场的工作，或者是去离较远的学校参加比赛等活动。不过，有家长担心时间一久，可能会影响囡仔的成绩。
An argument too that it's not the school's job to babysit. True, but it is the school's job to provide a quality education, and I don't think that increasing our time 4 days a week so that we can have 1 day off is going to improve anybody's scores on testing or anything like that.
虽然一礼拜减上1天课，确实互一寡学校伫咧找教职员的时阵较顺利。不过学者讲，若是无自根本来做改善，问题会一直拢伫咧无法度改变。
At the end of the day, you're not really looking at the underlying causes of stress in the education system, whether that be kind of financial budgets that are too small, or if we're talking about mental health or other types of stress that teachers and students face.
美国已经有几多百间学校实施一礼拜休3天的学制，其中大部分是伫农村或者是美国西部地区。不过除了会影响囡仔学习的成果，若是伫咧上班的家长，也该付1天$30请人顾囡仔，增加真侪负担。公司新闻张伟林编辑。